Well, afternoon class. Sorry, I look so bad. Heat and allergies kill me. So my name is Robert Holmes. My experience in the field has been now 6 years working as a therapeutic mentor. And basically what that means is I take the goals from either an inpatient or outpatient therapist or an intensive care coordinator that have been assigned to a client, usually an adolescent or a young adult. The age ranges actually range from 5 to about 21. And we try to apply those concepts in a more community setting. So we may take goals like identifying coping skills for social anxiety and try to implement them into social settings for the kiddos. So my goals for developing into social worker and a clinical social worker, I eventually want to work as a licensed independent clinical. My actual goal is to either deal with adolescents or put time back with working with veterans, so I get something back from my military experience a very long time ago. Because as you can tell, I'm old. So my first field assignment was actually with the Department of Child and Families, which is a state-run agency. Did a lot of work with the families and the kiddos, but that really wasn't my style. So that's a little bit about me. Good luck, everybody.
Huh?